Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on that device. So now we can see that the Google Discover is activated, and if you want to turn off this option, you should first hold for a while your device screen and then click here to Home Settings. After that, tap here to swipe access and switch Google Fit to nothing. Now just let's go back to the home screen, and we can see that the Google Discover is successfully turned off. If you want to turn it on again, by the same way, hold the home screen, click to Home Settings, tap to swipe access and switch nothing to Google Fit. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.